Want to locate your Apple Watch using your iPhone? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly find your missing device without any hassle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. To begin, make sure you have both your Apple Watch and your iPhone with you. On your iPhone, open the Find My app. Inside the app, you'll see a list of your connected Apple devices. Tap on your Apple Watch from the list, and a map will display its current location. Now, tap on your Apple Watch again and select Play Sound. Your watch will start ringing loudly, allowing you or anyone nearby to hear it and locate it quickly. If you've actually lost the watch and need help reaching it, you can tap on Directions to get turn-by-turn navigation to its last known location. There's also an option to mark the Apple Watch as lost by tapping Mark as Lost. As soon as your Apple Watch starts ringing, you'll be able to find it easily. Once located, you can stop the ringing directly from your watch or the Find My app. There's another quick method too. On your iPhone, you can use the Ping My Watch feature. Just save the Ping My Watch widget to your notification panel for quick access. Then, anytime your watch goes missing, you can tap it, and your Apple Watch will chime instantly. That's it. Super simple and super effective. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.